Click on Create and YouTube Thumbnail. Upload and import your image from Uploads. Go to Elements, and add a line. Go to Elements, and scroll down to Frames, and Letters. Delete this line. From the Elements section, select a square frame. Go to Layers, click Select and select the Frames layer, click Done. And duplicate the image and then drag and drop it into the frames. Tap on the frames, click Crop, and make the image the same size as the original image. Delete this image. Download this page as a PNG with a transparent background. Add a new page. Go to Uploads, and upload the image you downloaded. Go to Effects, Shadows and click Drop. And follow these settings. Go to Filters, and select this filter. Change the background color with this color code. This is the final result and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials with Canva.